This is a 2022 Gore 2-horse straight load gooseneck. This trailer really was customized to meet someone's needs, but didn't quite meet the mark on one aspect, so I have it here to sell. So I'm going to show you some of the additions, some of the changes to standard, a really nice trailer with some cool upgrades. So it's a 2022 Gore 2-horse straight load gooseneck. This trailer is 7'6" tall and 6 feet wide. It's got all of your Gore standard features like a molded fiberglass roof, which is going to keep your horses so much cooler than even an insulated aluminum roof, honestly. It's got insulated walls in the horse area. Beautiful diamond plated running boards all the way down the trailer. Diamond plate on the fender box there. A really nicely finished trailer from Gore. Got your standard camper style door here into the 5-foot dressing room. We have extra bridle hooks on a fully carpeted bridle wall. Clothing bar. And a nice nose for storage. Step to help you get into that nose and a handle there. Pull yourself up so you can get in and out of there for getting the things you've installed or stored there. We've got rubber mats on the dressing room floor. Again, this is a 5-foot dressing room, so that's nice and roomy. Switches for your interior and load lights. Actually, I think just your interior load lights are going to be on the back of the trailer. Got 2 full-size escape doors with sliding windows. Porch light. Again, windows between that horse area and dressing room, those do slide open. Pop-up roof vents for airflow. Head dividers are not standard in a Gore trailer, but this trailer got a bar-style head divider that does swing and is also removable. We got lots of added D-rings here in the front for strapping things to the wall, and some flip-down steps for getting into those pop-up roof vents. The trailer also has a RUMBER floor. RUMBER floor is an upgrade in this Gore trailer. We've got a removable divider that's padded. These stripes are green, blue, and green, in case you can't see that well. Green, blue, green. Removable padded divider, padded breast and butt bars, padded sidewalls. We've got the addition of 2 fans here at the back of the horses. Sliding windows on the body of each horse. Super lightweight ramp. I apologize, the trailer got here yesterday and I just wanted to go ahead and get it photographed and videoed, so I didn't get it washed. So you will see some dirt on the back here where it traveled in a little rainstorm. I apologize for that. But that ramp is super light. I can lift that up with one arm, my non-dominant arm as well. I'm gonna shut things so you can see it from the outside clearly. We've got 15-inch 6-lug wheels. They're 5,200-pound axles on this Gore trailer. Got a porch light here over the dressing room, and there's a load light in the back as well. Oops. Bear with me while I get this door shut. Okay. Again, a 2022 Gore 2-horse straight load gooseneck. If you're not as familiar with Gore, they do have a steel chassis. Just the chassis is steel with aluminum frame and aluminum skin. Right now you're thinking, oh my gosh, that must be so heavy. It's really not. It doesn't make much difference between all aluminum and that steel chassis. Got a spare tire mounted under the nose with a Gore tire cover. Manual jack. Again, sliding windows in the doors and the hips, I call it, of the horse. And in the rear top curtains. That nice molded fiberglass roof is super cool. got lots of airflow in there. The insulated walls and the fiberglass roof make it a little more bearable this time of year. This trailer is available at Trailer Country LLC in Carrollton, Virginia. You can see all the specs and photographs on our website at trailercountryllc.com. A really nice, really well-made trailer.